What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of 904 Fishing. As you can see, today we are going to be reviewing the Mystery Tackle Box 585, the Bass Kit. So I've done a couple of the reviews in the past, and I've not really liked what I found. I found that it was overpriced. You didn't really get as much as you should have. So today I'm going to be doing an incomprehensive review. We're going to be field testing the stuff that we get, see if we can't hook up into some stuff, and see if these are really worth it. Stay tuned. All right, so as you guys can see, Mystery Tackle Box 585, Bass Kit. So, still sealed. I'm gonna break the seal on this bad boy real quick. Boom. All right, let's see what we got. Let's see what we're working with here. All right, looks like you open it up, you get a smaller box inside. So that's pretty nice. Oop, is it sealed? No. That's what it looks like first off. There you go. Bam. First look inside. All right, so this looks like keeper requirements for contest entry. So it looks catch, measure, share. Okay, so it looks like so you can win prizes based off of the tape measure that they give you inside the box. So that's pretty neat, like that. Let's see, first thing they got in the box. What's inside? Boom. Kind of neat. They got they got tips and tricks and whatnot. So that's nice. They got a little thing on the back that kind of shows you the anatomy of the fish. So that's also really cool. All right, we got some. We got some Harmony Fishing Company hooks, offset J hooks. It looks like maybe 3/0, maybe 4/0. Not too bad. We've got 3 of them. We got a sticker and a box blown away. All right. We got a sticker, a Catch Company sticker, kind of cool. Looks like a Halloween themed kind of deal. Let's see. We've got some Pro Series Zone Lures, Adrenaline Bug, Purple Shadow. So those are pretty nice. Those are like little craws. Like those actually. Those colors might do really well in this pond. Some Headbanger. What is this? Banger Lizard, 4-inch. Okay, so that's kind of cool. And then we got a square bill. So really nice colors on that, like that. And a diesel jig, football jig. That can go well with the lizard or these craws that I have. So pretty useful stuff in here. This is all I'm gonna be using today to try to catch some fish. So let's try to catch some fish. All right, so right off the cuff, I mean, you got 5 soft plastics here. I don't know how many are in here. 1, 2, 3, feels like 4. So 9 soft plastics. This is probably about 10, 15 bucks. Nice square bill, that's pretty good. That's probably a good 7 bucks. This is probably another 5 bucks, and this is probably like 3 bucks. So, I mean, it's not, the box isn't wrong. It says you get $25 worth of stuff, and I think this is pretty close to $25. I'm actually kind of impressed because the last couple times I reviewed them have not been good. So I think I'm gonna try the square bill first. Just kind of throw that out, see if I can't get anything. I really like that color. Chartreuse, a little bit of orange on the bottom, blue. So we're gonna tie this on first, and then we'll move on to maybe some soft plastics and jigs. Out here in Oakleaf, we're gonna be doing a little bit of fishing. Problem is, I don't know, I'm not wearing my boots like I was last time, and it is quite windy, so I don't know how this is gonna go. Yeah, I'm expecting to hit quite a bit of weeds. This pond's kind of notorious for that. That's the thing, a damn country mile. I can't tell if that's a fish or if I'm... No, okay. It was weeds. It was weeds. Walk down a little bit here. See if we can't see some fish kind of in the water here. All right, well, as you can see, I'm missing a very key important part here. Something took the square bill. So obviously it worked because I had it, now I don't. So I guess we're gonna try on one of these soft plastics. That's what we're working with now. Not too bad, not too shabby. So we're gonna try sight casting a couple bass. I've got these new sunglasses that I got off Amazon that are pretty good, and I want to kind of use them a little more before I make a review on them. But overall, they're working great. I can see right through the water, cut right through the water. I'm hoping that this helps, and we're gonna be moving around. I put the big camera up. I'm gonna go walk around this pond. As you can see, it's a pretty big establishment. So that culvert looks pretty good. So I don't know, we're gonna have to get creative here now that I've lost one of my 5 baits that came with the mystery tackle box. Hopefully we're still able to hook up. I'm confident. I bet we can do it. All right, I'm gonna try here because I can see like where it's flowing out from over there kind of into here, and then I can see the line of vegetation on either side. There's a big blank area right here, so I mean, at least for me it stands to reason that a predatorial fish would be kind of waiting along either side of this vegetation here, waiting for something to get flushed out of here. So we're gonna try that. This pond's a little too windy for my liking right now. I'm not really able to, there's a lot of vegetation too, so I gotta cast out really far to get past it. This MTB box isn't really equipped for the weeds, I don't think, so we're gonna try another pond just around the corner, see if that helps us produce a little better. But again, overall, I tried on the football jig with the lizard craw thing. Pretty good, liking it so far. No complaints. So this is actually looking to be a positive review. Stay tuned. I mean, it's still super windy over here too, but not as much vegetation, so hopefully I'll be able to hook up into something. There's a drain pipe over here I'm gonna walk to. Try that out. See if I can't get something off that. Wow, okay. So I'm having terrible luck. I mean, the wind's blowing right at me. I am going to try to drive around to the other side of the lake you guys see behind me there and see if maybe I can get something there, because this is not working at all. Yeah, I mean, I'm kind of struggling, honestly, trying to figure out where the heck I'm gonna fish. That's not, you know, covered in vegetation or stuff like that. So I'm gonna try to look for a pond, but unfortunately I can't promise anything right now. All right, so overall, I ended up cutting it short because of the wind. Overall, I'm actually pretty impressed with this mystery tackle box. In the past, obviously, I've not been, but a couple things changed my mind about this one. One, the jig quality was really nice. Really liked the jig, and they gave us more soft plastics. So there's 4 in this one, and then we got 5 out of the Pro Series Zone. So very happy with them. I really like the color and the quality of the jigs that we got, or of the soft plastics, and the hooks definitely feel more sturdy than they were. So this isn't sponsored or anything, obviously, but overall I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10. I think this one was actually worth it. So flip the script from my previous ones. Plus, for being honest, I think that's a pretty cool sticker. I'm pretty excited to put that on something. I don't know what I'm gonna put it on yet, but we're gonna put it on something. So thank you guys for watching this episode of 904 Fishing. See you guys in the next one.